In this video, I'll show you how to turn on comments on YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio and click on the setting. Select Channel and then Advanced Settings. Ensure your channel is not set as Made for Kids. If it is, change it to No, or review settings for each video. Go to Content in YouTube Studio and select the video and check its visibility. Set the video to public or unlisted if you prefer to limit who can see it, and save any changes. Now, go to the settings in the YouTube Studio and click on Community and then the Defaults. Choose Allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. If you're using a supervised account, ask your guardian to adjust the settings to allow comments. Comments are turned off by default on the YouTube Kids content. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.